So hi everyone, welcome to the very first tutorial of Scratch coding. And first thing which I want to show you is that what you will be creating today. Okay, so if you like it, please do watch the video till the end. And of course, you can carry out the instructions which I'm telling you side by side so that you can create on your own. So you are going to create this party scene where there is this backdrop, the girl will be dancing, there are the instruments, and then there are the letters written yay over there. So I'll show you how it is going to work.
It's a dance party, everybody make your body dance. It's a dance party, dance party. Let's do this to dance. It's a dance party, everybody make your body dance. It's a dance party, dance party. Let's do this to dance.
Okay, so didn't you like this? This is going to be a very wonderful lesson for you all, and please promise me that you're going to like and share the video with all your friends, and do let me know in the comment box that do you want more such videos or not. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create this scene, this party scene. So let's start, my dear kids. Okay, and for this, first we need the Scratch. Yes, we have the Scratch window, and the version which I'm using is this. On the top, it is written over here. Okay, and this is the latest version which you can download from the Scratch website. Okay, so for this, the thing is that we do not need this sprite. So from here, we are going to delete this sprite, this cat sprite we are going to delete. Now, first thing is we need a backdrop. Okay, we need a party backdrop. So from here, we will be choosing the backdrop, extreme right corner below. When you click here, you will see there are many backdrops. And from here, you can select the different backdrops. Okay, now we have this spotlight one, which I have chosen. I'll click on this and see, I got the backdrop. Now I need sprites. Okay, the first sprite which I need is a girl, a dancing girl. So from here, I'm going to choose the sprite. Okay, so when I click on this green, I'll click on this people, and here you will see this girl, ballerina. Okay, so I'm going to select this girl, and by moving the girl, I'm going to place her over here. Okay, all right. After that, you need another sprite. If we click on music, you will see there are drums. So I'll click on drums. The drums are over here, and I'm going to place the drums here. Okay. Now I find this sprite to be a little bigger, this drums sprite to be a little bigger. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the size from here. It is 100 right now. So I'll just change it to 80. Now it is fine. Okay, so I'm going to place it over here. Okay, next is, again, I'm going to go to sprites. I'll click on music, and I'll see over here there is a radio. Okay, so I'll click on this radio. Again, this sprite is very big for me. So I will change the size from here. I'll make it to 80. Okay, I'll place it over here. All right, after that, we need to write yay. So I'm going to take the sprite, and I will be going to letters. Okay, and then here I can take Y. So Y I can place here. Again, it is very big for me. I'll be making it to 80. Okay, then again I'll be taking A. I'll bring it over here. I'll change the size. Okay, that's it. Now the other Y we'll be going to include later on. Okay, so first we are going to set up our stage. Our stage is ready. We have the girl, we have the instruments, and we have the letters. Okay, now one by one, we are going to give the coding for all the sprites. First, we are going to click on ballerina. Okay, now I want to give the coding for ballerina. So now here are the codes. In Scratch, the coding is pretty straightforward. Okay, so here you just have to use your logic. All right. Here you will see in the event section, there is this block when flag clicked. So if we click the flag, if we click this green flag, I want the commands to go. Okay, to start. I want everything to start. So always I'm going to take this block when green flag is clicked. Now, you might have noticed I have, I've given the command where the girl is saying time for party. Okay, so that means it is going to come under looks. So I'm going to click looks and say here and take this one. Say hello for 2 seconds. So instead of hello, I'm going to change and I'm going to write time for party. Okay. Now, as you are adding the blocks, you're going to check it is working or not. So I'm going to just click on this and see it has come on the right-hand side. All right. Now, after that, I want to change the girl's costume. Now, when you click on this ballerina girl, you will see the costumes. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 costumes over here. This is ballerina B, this is C, this is D. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give another command which will change the ballerina's costume. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to take the forever block because I want it to, I want this to work like forever until I stop. Okay, so I will be taking this forever block and then in the look section, because the costume will come under look section only. Okay, so logic. Next costume, and I'm going to take it between the forever block. Okay, so when I click, let's see what is happening. Oh, the girl is moving very fast. I don't want the girl to move this fast. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take the, I'm going to click on control option over here and then give this one, select this one, wait for 1 second and then go to next costume. Like now, let's see what happens. Oh God, now it is very slow. So what we are going to do, we are going to change the seconds. Instead of 1 second, maybe we can have 0.5. Okay, now let's see. Now this is fine. I think this is looking fine. If you want to change the speed, you can do it over here. All right, for me, it is fine. All right. Now, next is children, if you want to, now see, whenever you are seeing that the girl is stopping over here, okay, I don't want the girl to stop over here. Whenever I stop, I want the girl to come back to its first position. That is ballerina A position. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to change the look. I want to set the look. Okay, so let's say I will take a switch costume. I'll take it over here and I'll change it to ballerina A. Now let's see what happens. So whenever I will click on the green flag, it will start from ballerina A only. Okay, so this is the coding for our girl. Okay, now let's move to the next, this thing, sprite. This is the drum sprite. Okay, and we are going to do the coding for drum sprite. So again, we will go to events. When flag is clicked, I'm going to take the forever block because I want the drum to beat again and again. Now, when you see the drums, you will see that there are two costumes. Okay, one is this and the one is the vibrating one. Okay, so what I'll do again, when in the forever block, I'm going to put next costume. Okay, so let's see what happens now. Okay, now see, you can have the notion of the drums beating. Okay, but this is going very fast. So again, what I'll do, I will stop it. I will wait. I'll take this option, wait, and let's make it to, sorry. Let's make it to 0.1. Okay, now let's click and see what happens. Now this is fine. Okay, again, the same coding we will do for the radio as well. So we'll go to events, we'll take when green flag is clicked, then we will go to forever block, and then we will take wait for 1 second. Let's make it 0.1. And then we'll make the next costume under looks. Yeah. Okay. Now let's click and see what happens. See. Okay. Now we have done for this. Now let's come to the letters Y. Now the first letter is Y. Now for Y, what we are going to do, we want Y to change the color. Okay. So again, this you have to keep in mind. Now I'm going to take event. I'm going to click on event option when green flag is clicked. Always we want to start everything when the green flag is clicked. That is why I'm taking this option for every sprite. Okay, so when green flag is clicked, what do we want? We want the this to glow. Y sprite to change its color forever. So I'm going to go again to the events, to the controls option. Forever is there, and then I will be going to motion, and there you can see not motion, looks. There you will see change color. You will see change color. Okay, so I'm going to take the block and fix it over here. Okay, now let's see what happens. Okay, can you see the change? Y? Can you see the change in Y? Yes. Okay, now the color is quite fast. The color changing is quite fast. So I want to stop it and I will change it by 10. I'll change it by 10. So let's see what happens here now. Now it is fine. Yes. Okay. Now, after this, the same thing we are going to do for the A block. Okay, I'm going to go to events section. When flag is clicked, I will take forever option. Then I will take looks, change color by 10. This also 10. Okay, let's see what happens here. Yes. Okay, now for A also we have done the coding. Now for Y, we want one more Y. So we are not going to select from the sprites. Okay, what we are going to do instead is we will click on this one, right click, and we will duplicate it. Okay, now we have this Y. And here you will see that the coding has also been duplicated. So we do not need to, do the coding from the beginning. All right. So we have our stage set up. Now let's see from here, you will see the full screen. When you click on full screen, you will see the whole screen. And when I click on green flag, okay, let's click on green flag and see what happens. I believe the girl is quite slow. So what we are going to do is we'll click on ballerina and I'll change this to 0.1 seconds. Okay, let's see now. Now it is fine. See, now it's looking fine. Now one last step is left, which is to add the music, So I'm going to add the music in Ballerina's sprite coding only. What I'll do is I click on sounds. Now see there, I want a different party music. So what I'll do, I'll record the sound. I will record the sound. So for that, I have my YouTube opened. 1 second, I'll just share again. Okay, so I have this YouTube link open already. What I'm going to do is I'm going to play this song.
It's a dance party, everybody make your body dance. It's a dance party.
Okay, so I want this song. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to press the record button over here and I'm going to play the song over here so that the recording takes up this. Okay, so let's do that. I'll go to Scratch. Now I want to add. Okay, so what I'll do, I will click on this, choose a sound. So there, I don't have a sound to choose. What I'll do is I want my own sound. So I'll just click on this record option. Okay. Now I got this window, record option. When I click on record option, I'll get this window. So what I'll do, I'll start over here. And then when the music starts, I'm going to click on record. And I'm going to record for around 10-15 seconds. Okay. So let's do that.
Dance, dance, dance. Let's do dance. It's a dance party. Everybody make your body dance. It's a dance party. Dance party. Let's do dance. It's a dance party. Everybody make your body dance. It's a dance party. Dance party. Let's do dance. Everybody's jumping. Music is pumping.
Okay. So we have recorded, as you can see, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this. Okay. And I'm going to change the sound of this dance party. I'm going to change the name of the sound, that is dance party. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll save it and I'm going to play this one. Okay. So again, what I'm going to do is I'll go to events. When flag is clicked. Now this is a different, altogether a different coding which I'm creating because I want the sound to be, to be there once I click the green flag. Now you go to sound and here there is this option, play sound dance party, because I've recorded that. So play sound dance party until done. That means until I stop, it will be played. Okay, now let's go to our full screen and let's see if it starts.
It's a dance party. Dance party. Let's do dance. It's a dance party. Everybody make your body dance. It's a dance party. Dance party. Let's do dance.
Okay, so I hope you have understood this lesson and you can create your own dance party. Okay. Yes. So my dear kids, if you have loved this video, please let me know in the comments section and please like, share with your friends, those who want to learn Scratch coding. Okay. So have a nice day. Bye-bye all.